So, from Moment, today we are going to study the new chapter, The Happy Prince. This story is about Prince who is always been seen very happy. Once upon a time, a beautiful statue of the Happy Prince stood on a tall column in the city. The statue was so shiny and sparkling. He was gilded all over. He had thin leaves of fine gold, and also he had two bright sapphires for eyes, and a large ruby gloved on his sword hilt. And people called him a happy prince. He was always been happy since he was alive. One day, all the swallows were flying over the Egypt to survive from winter. All swallow went away, but this one little swallow left behind. The swallow was worried, but he suddenly saw the statue. A little swallow came and sat on the statue. The swallow wants to spend the night on it because it was night, it was dark all over there. Swallow was worried to fly in the night, so Swallow decided to spend the night on it. The swallow was going to sleep. Swallow just closed his eyes and suddenly a large drop of water fell on him. The swallow was amazed. From where this water drop came suddenly on me? There was no cloud, yet it rained. The second drop of water made swallow decided to fly off, and the swallow flied towards the prince near his shoulder. The swallow fly, and suddenly he saw that the third drop of water is falling. But he saw that it is not just a water but the tear from the prince. He just looked at the statue. He was very shocked that it is the statue's eye drop. He asked the prince, "Why are you crying, prince?" Prince said, "I am crying because I am sad. I was a happy prince. My courtier called me a happy prince. But now, when I am dead, and when I sat at very high, I saw what the miserable things are going in the city. It was very painful for me." He said, "Swallow, dear swallow, can you see that house of there is a one woman living? She is helpless woman. She is very poor and her child is ill. She is not able to buy the medicines for him. Can you help me?" So the swallow said, "Yes, of course. What help you want?" Prince said, "Swallow, just pick the ruby from my sword hilt and go and give that ruby to that woman." Swallow fly towards the sword, took out the ruby from the sword and fly towards the woman's house window. He just knocked the window. Knock, knock. Woman saw the ruby and she was so happy. Swallow returned back to the prince and said that, "Hey prince, now I need to go back to the Egypt." But the prince requested him to stay one night. Prince requested, "Please stay with me for one more night," but the swallow was unable. Even then, swallow agreed. He told the swallow that, "Can you see that the playwright is there in a little room? There is one playwright in the room. He wants to finish a play for the director of the theater, but he is unable because it was too cold to write, and also he was hungry. So the prince said Swallow to pluck one sapphire from his eye and give that to the playwright. First Swallow was shocked, but then he took off one eye and went towards the playwright and gave the sapphire to the playwright. First the playwright saw the sapphire and he was so happy to see the sapphire. Now he hoped to finish the play because now he can able to eat something, and also he can have some fire to get off from cold. Now he came back towards the prince and said, "Now goodbye, prince." But the happy prince asked him to stay one more night. "Please, can you stay one more night? I want to do something else for these people. Can you see that there is a little match girl in the square below?" There was a little girl who was selling the matches, and all her matches fallen in the gutter. And so the swallows agreed, and prince said if she couldn't sell all the matches and went back to home like this, her father would beat her if she didn't bring any money at home, and she is crying so much. So please pluck out the sapphire from my other eye and give her. The swallow flew with the sapphire and put that sapphire in girl's basket. The girl was so happy. She took that swallow on her hands and said, "Thank you so much. I'm very happy. You helped me a lot and saved me from my father's beat. You saved me from father's betrayal behavior." Now the swallow returned back towards the prince, and prince said, "Thank you, swallow. Now you can go for the Egypt." But the swallow didn't done that. He told the prince that he would stay with him as he had gone blind, because now prince don't have eyes. The happy prince asked him to fly over, but the swallow refused. And swallow decided that he would stay there and he would say all the marvelous thing what the humans suffering from and all the miseries whatever happening in the world will say. The swallow flew over the city and he saw the hungry children and many poor people. Then the happy prince asked him to take away leaf after leaf of the fine gold over his body and give to them. The poor, for those poor peoples, the prince told swallow to take away the gold from his body, because now only the gold is left. And in this way, little by little, the swallow started taking gold for the poor. The poor now laughed and the children played. Everyone were happy. Now the prince's body becomes more and more ugly. Now there come the snow and the frost. Everything was white. The winter arises. The poor little swallow grew colder and colder, but he didn't leave the happy prince. However, he could no longer keep himself alive. The swallow was going to die. He just kissed on the lips of the happy prince. He was so happy that he helped the people with the prince, and now he is going to the house of death. And suddenly he fell down and dead. At that moment, there appeared a crack inside the statue. The happy prince started crying. When the swallow died, the heart of the happy prince broke into two. The dead swallow lay at its feet. The next morning, the mayor and the two councillors came that way. They all saw that the Happy Prince was no longer beautiful. Everyone was shocked. How does this thing happen? What happened to the statue? What wrong with the statue? So now they melted the statue in the furnace. They decided something badly is done with this statue. There is no gold, no sapphire, no ruby. What is the use of this statue? Now this statue is no longer beautiful and no longer useful for our city. This statue should be burned in a furnace. And they threw that statue into the furnace and melted the statue into the furnace. But the broken heart didn't melt, it was thrown away because the happy prince was dead, but he has a very kind heart. They went into the heaven. But before that, God asked one of his angels to bring him the two most precious things in the city. The angel brought a swallow and the happy prince. God said, people do not understand what the real happiness is. The happy prince and the swallow will live eternally in heaven. Now the prince and swallow live happily ever after in heaven. They both were living together happily in heaven. So in this way they both help the people and living happily in heaven. So today we finish our chapter here. Thank you.